Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can connect your YouTube channel with Google Looker Studio. So let's begin the video. First of all, you might have the question that Wasay, why should we even connect Google Looker Studio with our YouTube channel, as the YouTube channel already provides a dedicated analytics page. Well, you're right, but if you want to make custom dashboards where you can basically see the views, watch time, subscribers, revenue, and the monthly goals that you have set up on a single page, then you can use Google Looker Studio to basically customize the YouTube analytics. And if you are making it for yourself or for your company, then having these different analytics on a single page can help you a lot. And since Google Looker Studio is basically a product of Google, you can use this one for free. So that's why we're connecting it with YouTube. So in order to get started, you're going to open the website lookerstudio.google.com and you're going to sign in or create a free account. If it is your first time, then I recommend that you use the same Google account for which you have your YouTube channel, so that the integration is easy. Once you have signed in to your Looker Studio account, you're going to click on blank report. Now, first of all, it will ask you to select your data source. In our case, it is YouTube. So in the search, you're going to type YouTube and you will see YouTube Analytics by Google, which means that this connector is officially provided by Google and it is not any third-party connector, so your data is secure. We're going to click on it, and if it is your very first time, it will tell you to authorize. Just click on the authorize button and log in to your Google account which has the YouTube channel. After that, if you have one or multiple YouTube channels under that Google account, it will show all of them right here. So just for testing, I'm going to select Wasay Tech Tips. Basically, there is a bug on this report. It's showing my same channel name 2 times. I do not know why, but anyways, we're going to click on add by selecting the correct channel. It will take some time, like you will feel that the screen has frozen, but it has not. After that, you can have a responsive layout which will change according to the screen if you are having mobile users, or you can have a free layout. So you can select any of these. Let's just select responsive layout, and from here we are going to click on add chart, and you can select any chart which you want to show. Let's just select this stacked area chart, and now it will actually load data from our YouTube channel and it will show in this stacked area chart. So you can actually increase its size, you can see right here, and from here as well, and it is showing the stats for different things. If you're interested like which data it is showing or from where it is getting, on the right you have this data tab, and here we have the section where we customize the charts. You can see the dimension is date and the breakdown dimension is video title. So these are broken down according to video title, and the value it is getting from the total watch time. So these videos had this total watch time, so this is the breakdown. Again, you need to have some data analysis skills to interpret them and make custom visuals. And here you can see we have YouTube analytics selected, and here are all the different analytics that YouTube provides via their connectors. So you can almost make any dashboard. Like I have made this complete dashboard using their YouTube analytics connector. For some places you may need to apply custom formulas. I am not going to go into detail how you can make that exact dashboard, as it is a very long video, but in this video this is how you can connect your YouTube channel with Google Looker Studio. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe,